Hey guys, thank you so much for downloading my custom OMG Artistry filters. So from here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on the Download Now button. So then on the lower bar, you'll see a box with an arrow pointing up. You're going to click on this, and then you're going to swipe and you're going to see it says Save Image. Okay, so then from here, you're going to open up your photos and look at your camera roll just to make sure it's there. So it actually just looks like a blank gray box. That's how you'll know it's actually there. And then from here, you're going to open up the Lightroom app, and at the lower right-hand corner, it's going to have a box that you can upload images to. From here, your camera roll will load, and then you're going to want to select all of the DNGs that are saved on your camera roll. It'll say cannot load image, which is normal. You'll notice when the DNG loads that it's actually an image, and it'll say DNG at the top. So this will be your standard template for every single time you want to use this preset. Now you'll add your picture. On the lower bottom again, you're going to click on the box and upload the picture that you want to use. And then you're going to select the DNG. Once you select the DNG, go to the top right-hand corner where the three buttons are and click Copy Settings. And then press OK. From here, you're now going to go back into the image that you uploaded, and you're going to do Paste Settings. And voila, you can see a beautiful before and after using the yellow corrector. And then last but not least, you want to save your images and make sure you put it under maximum available. And there you are. Please, if you use the presets, use hashtag OMG Artistry presets, and I would love to feature you on my page. Thanks, guys.